Automation is always a possibility, but we've made the decision to rather develop people around us. We heavily invest in our employees in terms of training and skills development. In terms of the automation side, it is always a possibility, but overall, the processes of building machines by hand will remain. My name is Rian van Zyl. I'm the Managing Director of Volmatic Packaging Systems. We've been in business now for 46 years, and we design and manufacture filling and packaging machines, mainly for the food and beverage industries. Volmatic has over the years developed a lot of products, and every year we develop new products for the packaging market, like our new roll-fed labeling machine that we've developed for the African market, actually for the world, but specifically for the African market. We're the only company that does it. Sustainability is paramount in most industries. In terms of our machines, there's a secondary market that uses our machines, rebuild them for other purposes. And our machines will never end up in a landfill, because it can go to a scrapyard and it can be reused for other products. Obviously, it doesn't matter where you are, there are some operational challenges always. We have now, a year ago, we've moved into this new factory of us. The municipality helped us with accessibility roads. At the moment, people from all over the world enjoy staying in Paarl because it's safe. So that's what I think the municipality can keep doing, is make sure that the roads are safe and clean. Because we are such a long time in Paarl, and most of our employees stay in Paarl, we've developed about 60% of our workforce from using local people, training them. Myself started as a project planner here. I grew in various roles up to where I am now, to the Managing Director. And so I can continue with a lot of people that we've trained. We have an apprenticeship program, and we have a learnership program. And because of the growth of the company, there are many opportunities.